Hi, everyone. I'm Andrew, virologist in cellular and molecular medicine. So I work on emerging viral diseases, primarily dengue virus and SARS-CoV-2 and other human pathogenic coronaviruses. And we're very interested in the host response to virus infection with the overarching aims of looking at dysregulated pathways in cells that could be drug targets or lead to prediction of biomarkers for severe disease. So our approaches primarily look at using patient samples from clinical cohorts or infected cells in laboratory, virus infected or uninfected. We subject these to transcriptomics, proteomics, and also lipidomics analysis. We get these large data sets, and then we use those to predict cellular pathways that are disrupted in response to virus infection. However, at the present time, I think we lose a huge amount in the way we're analyzing the data. So I'd like to apply AI approaches to this downstream bioinformatic analysis. And talking to people like Andrew Dowsey before, I know this is quite complex because of a lot of noise in the data, but I'd like to see how we could go further with this. So, thank you.